Assalamu alaikum. Let's learn fun English. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Look at this. What is it? Apple. 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 A red, sweet, juicy apple. And what is it? Yes, it is an ant. Ant. And what is this? Aeroplane. Aeroplane. Apple, ant, aeroplane. What is the initial sound of apple? Apple. Ant. Aeroplane. What is this? Trace with your index finger. Trace it. Go down, up, down, curve. Tell me the name of anything which starts with a sound. Yes, please. Apple. Well done. Ant. Aeroplane. Yes, it is. Today we have learned the letter sound a and its shape as well. Trace a sound in your book, in the air, and make it with Play-Doh. Okay?
अगले सबक के साथ फिर मिलेंगे इंशाल्लाह। अल्लाह हाफिज़।